All right, guys, so we just finished another project here in Frisco, Texas. This is a 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos system from Klipsch. This is the Reference Premier Series. I want to show you what we got here. So in the front of the room, we are running the Pro 180 RPW. Gray, if you could just come a little bit closer and give them an up-close shot of this guy. This has the 90 by 90 horn and the 8-inch surround metallic woofer, and a nice magnetic grill goes over the front here. And then the center speaker, we are using the RP 640D on-wall center speaker, and the reason we used the center speaker was because the framing in the wall didn't line up on 16-inch centers for the TV, and we wanted everything to be proportional for the space. We're running the the Pro 180 RPW in the front right, and then we have a Sony 4K TV, 65-inch. We're powering everything up with a Marantz AVR, the 5013. And then if you look overhead, we're using the Pro series up there as well, the Reference Premier from Klipsch. And in the rear of the room, for our surrounds, we are using the 180s again. I was super impressed with this system for a living room setup. I haven't used this exact configuration yet, but I was blown away as well as the customer. If you look over here, we just put in one 12-inch sub. This is the SPL 120. And that's a recap of this system. I really appreciate all the positive feedback you guys have been giving us. For recommendations about where we can go with the channel, please let me know. If you have questions or would like to purchase this product or any of the other products that we have for sale, or you would like it installed, just give us a call or shoot us an email. Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.
Listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again. To Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater, whether the sound sweeps from the back to all the way in front, arcs overhead,